Sometimes you want to put that stuff off to a property manager. All right. I don't know. You have to determine how much you're willing to take on. And then that's the same thing with short term rentals like Airbnbs or VRBOs. You have to determine if you're willing to handle those landlord responsibilities or if you want a hands off approach. Then there's tax implications. Um, I don't give tax advice, but so you want to consult with a financial advisor, to understand all the tax consequences of renting versus selling. And then what are your future plans? Think about your timeline. Are you staying in the area? Are you moving out? Do you plan on staying here very long? I know there's a mass exodus from the state of New York. That's what I hear. That's what they tell me. I'm not going anywhere. But what are your future housing needs as well? Do you want to maintain ties to this current area? Do you own a business here? Do you have a long term commitment with your job? It's like real estate chess.